back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can protect your sketches and even watercolor paintings in this video. There are several ways to protect them. You can use any of the method which is convenient to you. So guys, here is the first method how you can protect. This is a plastic wrap that are available in the markets, that are available in the roll form. You can purchase them from local stationery shops, and if you want, I have mentioned the link in the description box, so you can check it from there also. Whichever is convenient to you, you can buy it from there. And we mostly find that there are patches on the other side of a sketch, so to protect them it is very important to use any kind of medium in between our sketch, like plastic medium mostly. So here is plastic wrap, and I mostly use this method. You can also protect two sketches or two paintings in one plastic wrap. Like if you have a small sketch or something, you can put it in the opposite direction. So like in one plastic wrap you can protect your two sketches. I have seen many of the people try to protect their paintings or sketches by keeping the another paper on over it. So that will make no sense to your sketches, because the paper in front of your sketchbook or your sketch in your sketchbook is similar to that only. So please guys, don't do that. Don't protect your sketches with the help of paper. Please use plastic wraps or butter papers or something like that to protect them, because papers are of no use for protecting sketches. You can see many of the sketches I have done. I have protected them all using plastic wraps. The link of this painting is also given in the description box. You can also check it from there. You can even go through the videos that I have made previously on my channel if you want. I also post them on Instagrams and Facebook, so you can even follow me there. This is one of my favorite paintings of a jar of ice cream full of ice creams. I love ice creams actually, so I made this up. If this method is not convenient to you, you can use the second method that I am going to show you here. The very second way to protect your sketches is to use butter paper or parchment paper, whatever you call it. These are most convenient way to use. Butter papers are also available easily on the stationery shop. You can cut it in the shape and size you want, and there you go. You can even buy it online. All the materials links will be given in the description box. And the very third way and the best way to protect your sketches is to use a fixative. Let me tell you what are fixative first. Fixative are basically kind of a liquids in the form of spray. When you spray the fixative on your sketch, the graphite or the charcoal of your sketch does not spread on your paper or something. They don't come into your hand when you rub your hand on the paper. So the best way to use fixative is to keep your fixative at a distance of 25 to 30 centimeters away from your sketch, or there might be possibility to damage your sketch. So try to keep it away from your sketch, 20 to 25 centimeters away, not more than that. And please use this spray on a highly ventilated area, on open space, not in the closed rooms, because it has a high odor and smell, so you might have problems of smelling it. so you might get infected due to the smell of it. So try to keep it in an open area and spray it. Even if you find such kind of patches on your sketches, don't worry, let it dry completely and the patches will fade away completely. In the next coming up videos, I am going to show you how you can protect your watercolor paintings, acrylics and oil color paintings. So stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.